General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including Forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the Forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leveraged nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 Disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under- or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to Forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Alright, I hope this thing ain't lagging this time, cause it'll just start lagging on you. Okay, so I started it, but I didn't finish it, and I'm adding a weekly. Okay, there we go. So you can see how Monday already did a lot on the weekly, hit the key level. Okay, there we go. Monday open, drop to the key level. The wick is a sign that is reaccumulation. Monday open large down day. Question: will we reach previous week's low inside the weekly fair value gap? That is a good question. H4, price is kind of consolidating at this key level. Gotta watch the delivery as the price leaves this range. Yeah, that's interesting. We can go either or from there. I targeted previous day's low, 106.583. The bonds, the weekly candle gapped up pretty nice. Seems to be looking for internal range liquidity. 110.24. Low hanging fruit from the daily. There are no candle bodies inside of this gap. And I'll show you the gap. Just wicks. So we need bodies there. H4, strong gap update. Think it may be 3 days up in a rebalance. We already hit my weekly objective. And here, what is this? 110.24. 110.24 is my target. Yeah. That's the weekly fat tie. Weekly low was taken. Doji day for Monday on the week. Doji day for Monday on the week. Daily. Yeah, not much. Just a doji day. Price is choppy. Can't really depend on order flow. If I don't see displacement and FEGs holding. Right here, yeah. Consolidation market profile. H1. .0065390. 390 is my target. CAD. Weekly, basically a small range day from the weekly perspective. Daily, still accumulating at the top of the range from the daily perspective. H4 gapped up, went down. It's kind of in this reaccumulation. And then fair value for buying still to go higher. H1. Okay, see. Okay, let's go here. CAD 1 hour chart. No. Why does this look way different than this? Oh, because it opened. And this happened at nighttime. This is crazy. Did the dollar pump? It just gapped up. did the yen do? Okay, yen's missing. What happened to CAD? Okay, let's look at the dollar again. Anything else going crazy? Ooh, Bitcoin. I didn't miss nothing. Let's look at this though. Wow. Then the yen ain't do nothing? Nah, something's going on here. Let's delete this. Look at this. What in the world happened in Asia? That's the first thing we need to address. Give me a new window. Okay. No, something yesterday. Nah. FOMC minutes, USD CAD post. No. Why the Canada dollar? That's $3. That's 3 days ago. Mm-mm. Mm. The only thing that makes sense. No, nothing makes sense. Has to be some type of news. But gold did that too. Gold did that yesterday. Stock market, no. Breaking news. Ha ha ha, here we go. Trump says he plans to enact tariff on Canada. This is what it is. Screenshot this. Okay. Look at this. Okay. This made perfect sense. This made perfect sense. Come on now. You're always trying to do something when I'm trying to do something. Okay, it's not the data. This makes perfect sense. So this could be overreaction. But targeting Monday's low makes sense. Let's actually find a better target. Weekly, monthly. Let's fib this with the quarters or whatever. Greatest swings. Is that what I used to? The wick zone. Okay. Damn, we hit equilibrium of that. Let's say 605. And let's go back here. Where is this line at? No, ain't no way. It's just way over there, like Timbuktu looking. We do this and then do this. Nah, this is impossible. Okay, let's try this. This is a crude joke. It has to be. Okay. This how y'all act before Black Friday. Get it together, Trading View. Okay. 50% of this, yeah, I kind of think it'll come back. Let me move this back some. This key level is null and void. And I think this is, scoot this back too. They just pricing in tariffs. Very, very interesting, though, to say the least. I'm thinking it's overreaction. Let's do equilibrium with this cap. 71265. 0.71265 is my target. On the weekly, start off with Doji Day. On the daily, We wick the flat top. To count that liquidity. Can you snap back in the range? Kind of like how we wick that. Nasdaq still choppy. Nuclear order flow. It still looks like the lagger. CH1. Okay, see, it's not having targets. That's why I get prepared to strike when I do my charts. Yeah, it's not having targets. It's not my vibe. Push down. So we took out this too. This wick. This wick is saying sell. Go previous day's low. Tuesday low of the week. Fives. It's a 3-day week. 27.55.25. $27.55.25. That's my target. Previous day low. I want to see Tuesday low of the week. Since the week is so short. Might not trade. Just observe and study. Must be A plus. Textbook play to engage. MES on the weekly, doji day. Okay. Still a doji day. Kind of gappy. Oh, gappy ain't a word. Maybe if it's like this. I don't know. Kind of thin price action. Let's go to H4. So this is where I left off. Here. So this is the new week opening gap here. Kind of looks clean. I'll keep it. We don't have any bodies through here. To me, this is like engineered liquidity. Okay, we do got the gap here. I think I got a 4-hour that don't show up. It don't show up on the 1 hour. Yep, true. Okay, so wicks to the bottom, Took out sell side. Took out buy side here. That leaves me with this. Really? 596275. And it's a little bit of news tomorrow. Five 962.75 is my target for Tuesday. Let's go to H1, capital T. 5962.75. Target remains the same. Let's go to MYM. Okay, weekly started off with a strong push up. Weekly started off with a strong push up. Note the flat bottom. Which makes me think weekly open will be a good target. Midweek. The only thing that don't make sense is CME is like, alright, 27 through the 29th we closed, but NYSE is like, it's all good. We just closing early the rest of the week, but we off for Thanksgiving. That's weekly open right here. This looks bullish. This looks bullish. I can't go bearish unless we take Monday high and displace lower. Let's go to H4. It's just accumulating here. Yeah. 4,500 don't even, it's not even really that far. I do like 4,500. Or 45,000. 45,000 is my target. 45K is my target. Let's go to H1. Yeah, take the high and die. Don't just die right now. We do have a failure swing here, but we're disrespecting this order block. Low hanging fruit would be this. That's too low. I'm gonna stick with 4,500 or 45,000. I keep doing that. Target is the same. I think I had the Russell up just because I was looking at that. We hit the objective. M2K. Need some water. Check my phone. Weekly. Okay. We hit our weekly objective. And and offset. The wick is given. It's time to retrace. Let's go to the daily. Just there, wick on the daily too. There it is. Tuesday looked like we already hit this. I guess that's the new week opening gap. No, Tuesday already hit the VI. Or just the new week opening gap. New week opening gap. Will they use it to go higher? Let's go to H4. The deciding factor of that would be this candle though. Which would be H4 bearish order block. Where would I target in this though? This would be a breaker. Just make this too. This will have to hold. Yeah, we do have CSD though. It's just that wick is not really. It's not really saying much. And this will actually be my next level. 2, 4, 2, 4, 12, 3. Two, 4, 12.3 is my target. Let's go to H1. That's not a bad target. 2 412.3 is my target. UJ. I think if I do it like that, I don't have to worry about it going crazy. Okay, go back to UJ. It's just a doji. It's just a doji. Most likely waiting for news. Daily. 512. Yeah. Still thinking lower. At least previous week's low. I'm thinking at least previous week's low before going higher. Let's go here. 153280. 153.280 is my target. Go to H1. Look how ugly it is. This thing is choppy. Yep, that was right. It's just waiting on news. Let's go to USD CAD. Just monthly. Let's go to weekly. Weekly hit the target. Yeah, in one day. That's crazy. Weekly pushed up, hit the target in one day. Weekly pushed up and hit the target in one day. Let's go to the daily. That wick is. Hold up. No. In 2 days. So Monday was small range. And Tuesday, Trump news sent it going crazy. See that on the daily. That's Monday, that's Tuesday. bring the volatility back. You'll be in your trade. You're like, yeah, I'm going long. Trump said, yeah, we finna tariff them. Then they gap past your stop, account blow. Gotta be nimble out here. Still think this is an overreaction. Well, since we got external range liquidity, and internal range liquidity seems logical. Let's go to H4. Yep, this is gone. This is all one candle. It's crazy. We got us H4 fair value gap here. I would target this. I don't want to see it reaccumulate here. 1.4856. .40. Is that 856? Let's double check. Yep, that's a good target. The H4 fair value gap. Let's go to H1. We'll see though, we'll see. Sticking to the same target. Sticking to the same target. 1.4856. Then let's go to CAD JPY. Add this. Weekly. Oh yeah, because it took that. Boom. Weekly liquidity sweep. Here. That might get beat up. Okay, so CAD swept internal range liquidity off the Trump news. Could we go up from here after the market cools off? Let's go to the daily. So this is the month open. Yeah, November 1st we came back. Can't pick the bottoms, wait for quality C or quality smart money reversal. Can't pick bottoms, wait for a quality smart money reversal before looking for buys. Let's go to H4. Yeah, we don't even have CSD or nothing yet. Here's for a fair value gap. Look how we just chilling right here too. We swept this. Like everything down here we kind of swept. It makes sense to hit this low one more time though. Just to induce 108.610. $108.610 is my low hanging fruit. Objective. Let's go to H1. Yeah, same target 108.610. Let's go get the link while I was thinking about it. I just wanna keep in the same target. What I got next on my list? Let's go to the weekly. I mean, doesn't this make sense? 89. Kind of holding on this though. Going to the weekly. Okay. Basically closed below equilibrium of previous week's candle. This feels like a setup to go higher, but I got a feeling it could tap 100K and go lower. Still, like it's playing. Let's go to the daily. Nice big down candle for Monday. Just accumulation, break above. Tuesday's it's like it's struggling. One thing about Bitcoin is it will make fair value gaps. We still don't have a bearish fair value gap yet. So this could just be a retracement before higher prices. Let's go to H4. Okay, we took this. Previous week's low looks interesting. Low hanging fruit is, where's it good? We already smacked this. We closed below it. Where's our next 3-bar swing low? Right here, 91,500. $91,500. Here's the next swing low we could target. Previous week low could be used. After that, let's go to H1. We're just smacking lows and closing them. Yeah, this makes sense. 91,500 just makes sense. Even number 2. $91,500 is my objective for Tuesday. The market could take this whole week off and just retrace and then go crazy next week, because next week should be non-farm payroll. And look at the strength of the economy or the weakness of the economy. Look at this doji day on the weekly for Ethereum. Doji day on the weekly for Ethereum. Let's go to the daily. Daily, we're not closing above here. Oh, snap. Not closing above highs. Price not closing above highs. That's a sign of retracement. Let's go to H4. Was that the old month opening price? Why was that significant though? Was it the old week opening price? That's what that was. Because ain't no way there's an old month opening price. The old month is over here. Let's go back to H4. Oops. There we go. I hate when my lines be stupid far. You gotta drag the world just to go catch it. $3,289 is my target. $3,289. It's my low hanging fruit. 3289 makes sense, even though it looks like he's just moving slow. 3289 looks like it makes sense, even though ETH looks like it's lagging compared to Bitcoin. It makes sense. I think XAU is next. I'm feeling good, so it's like, alright, yeah, some extras. And I've been looking at them. I just ain't been posting them. Yeah. Oh, this looks terrible. So we got the nice rejection off the weekly fair value gap, but the accumulation looks terrible. We got the nice rejection off weekly fair value gap, but this accumulation looks terrible. No, we pretty much broke through 50% of previous week's range. I just be making up acronyms. When you watch the video, you'll be like, oh, okay. But if you don't, you just read it, you'll be like, what's PWR? Weekly objective hit. Let's go. Weekly objective hit. See what H4 looking like. See if we can find us some precision target. Let me take this off too, because you done did it. Hold on, go back. We're wickedness level. We do got us a gap down here. From here to here. Any 3-bar swing low? Nope. Have us a gap here. Okay, delete this. Bam. 2602, 830. $26.02, $8.30 makes sense. We haven't had a smart money reversal just yet. H1. Yeah, 2602, 830. Sticking to the same target. And I think XAG, USD. Let's go here to the weekly. Okay, pretty much broke lows. Super bearish. Starting off the week super bearish, already surpassed previous week's low. Yeah, I don't know what I did wrong on that one. I auto corrected too fast. It didn't look okay. This makes sense. 29.67, 850. $29.67, 850. Hold on. What's my next level? My next target for silver. Let's go to H4. Yeah, previous week's low smacked. Previous week's low smacked. And closed below. So lower prices make sense. Let's go to H1. Look at that weekly candle. Look how it's starting off. PO3 don't do the actual week no justice. If you just look at the weekly chart. Because you can just see like what weekly liquidity the weekly takes that'll help you with one shot, one kill. But it's still the cleanest indicator. 2 degrees got the cleanest indicator for all the stuff. Keeping the same target. Alright, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day.